when you walk balance, things move trees skin swift like I get planners. This is it a war, physical, spiritual war. Me a battle for all the talk them talk. The sun and never par fire feed them back. My bun up and I get charged. Let me go feed them. This is it a war, physical, spiritual war. Me a battle for all the talk them talk. The sun and never par fire feed them back. My bun up and I get charged. Let me go feed them.
But you don't ask for respect. You don't offer friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather. Instead, you come into my house on the day my daughter's to be married and you ask me for the murder. Money.
I ask you for justice.
That is not justice. Your daughter is still alive.
They want to have a meeting with me, right? It will be me, Plugg, and Celeste. Let's set the meeting. Get our informers to find out where it's going to be held. Now, we insist it's a public place, a bar, a restaurant, some place where there's people so I feel safe. They're going to search me when I first meet them, right? So I can't have a weapon on me then. But if Clemenza can figure a way to have a weapon planted there for them, then I'll kill them both.